Hey garden friends, welcome back to the Wormy Garden, where we grow veggies, flowers, and good vibes from the ground up. Today we're digging into something a little deeper than compost, how gardening can actually help your mental and emotional health. Yes, dirt is therapy. Feeling anxious, a little down, overwhelmed? You're not alone. But good news, your garden is more than a place to grow food, it's a space to grow yourself too. Studies show gardening lowers stress hormones, boosts mood, and can even ease depression and anxiety. And all it takes? A pot of soil, a seed, and you. Try this. Start your week by planting seeds with intention. As you press each one into the soil, think about something you want to grow inside yourself, like courage, patience, or joy. Water your garden, weed your worries. Notice how your mood shifts, just like your plants. Here are 3 easy garden therapy activities you can do this week. Compost your worries. Write down what's stressing you, shred the paper, and compost it. Let nature break it down just like that. Gratitude weeding is simple. Pull a weed, and as you do, name something you're thankful for. Growth mirror time. As you prune, ask yourself, what am I ready to release? See, you're not just growing lettuce, you're growing strength. This garden is your sanctuary. Whether it's on a balcony, patio, or plot, every green space can be a healing space. And if you need a little nudge, go ahead and grab our free workbook, Gardening for Emotional Wellness, link in the description. If this video planted a little hope in your day, give it a like, share with a garden buddy, and subscribe for more heart-growing tips. Until next time, stay grounded, stay growing.